Organizations succeed through the people, and people are managed by managers. Therefore, the leadership capability, the managerial capacity of an organization is a critical metric to monitor. And when organizations flounder, they don't get the best of the people. They often find that they have missed out on this metric. I'm conducting a workshop from the 21st to 23rd on emotional intelligence competencies that predict 85% or more of the success metrics of a manager in the workplace. How do they regulate their emotions? How do they create relationships? How do they understand people? How are they compassionate to themselves and to others? How do they use the factors of resilience? How do they actually learn to make better people's decisions? While focus on the work and the work metrics can never be secondary, focus on people metrics can simultaneously happen. And this is what helps organizations to repeatedly touch the milestones of success. In this workshop, which we are holding at India Habitat Center, Lodhi Road, Delhi, from the 21st to the 23rd of May, you will learn a lot of critical skills. For example, how do you manage your emotions? How do you learn to empathize and understand people? How do you actually build relationships? How do you factor resilience in yourself and others? How to be assertive without being passive or aggressive. You'd also learn factors of personal success like compassion and self-compassion. You'd learn how to prime people. And very importantly, you'll be certified on an important emotional intelligence assessment tool called the SCALE, the Skills for Career and Life Effectiveness. This is a certification by EI Learning Systems of US and Ashish Sen Consulting and Coaching. This would help you to coach people on EI skills, emotional intelligence skills, and also get them assessed. This is also useful for trainers, coaches, because coaching becomes easier when you have a map of the terrain which you need to cover. So this is a workshop you should not miss. Having trained across the government, public sectors, private sector organizations, the one metric that has been consistently a factor for success, emotional intelligence competencies, get covered here. And these skills are portable. It doesn't matter which organization you are in. What matters is, are you leading people? Are you training people? Are you coaching people? So I look forward to your joining the workshop, and the earlier you register, the better off you are. My email ID, my contact address is very much in the comments box, and I would request you to write to me so that I can send you the brochure. There are limited seats, but there is unlimited capacity that you are going to build in this workshop. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you.